What is real estate investing? When you see folks talking about real estate, you mostly think about, are they talking about a real estate agent or a broker or a realtor? Now, investing by itself, it's a different ball game altogether. If you do it right, you can see yourself in 6 to 7 figures in no time. Hello, namaste. Thank you for tuning into Quantum Investing channel. This is your host, Sarath Chalamcharla. So what is real estate investing? It has wholesaling, fix and flip, buy and hold and make them as rentals, purchase lands and do constructions, doing lending. You can make money out of it, and buying lots, multi-family, commercial properties, there are many more. I have started this channel to share and also learn from industry experts. I will be doing Learn With Me series. I really want you to participate, learn and also implement it. Why this channel, right? So this is, we are going to start from basics. There is nothing small or big. Just put in the comments below and I will reply to that. See the growth of this channel. To do so, all I need you to is like this video, share with your friends who are really passionate about learning this real estate investing, and also subscribe to my channel. See the growth of this channel. There is an incredible amount of knowledge coming towards you. So please follow me, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much again. See you later.